Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into continuation. 4 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Continuation, which means the state of remaining in a particular position or condition. Number 1. Continuation, which means the state of remaining in a particular position or condition. Continuation. For example, the continuation of discussions. Number 2. Preservation, which means the action of preserving something. Preservation. For example, the ruling classes were bent on preservation of the status quo. Number 3. Maintenance, which means the process of preserving a condition or situation or the state of being preserved. Maintenance. For example, crucial conditions for the maintenance of democratic government. Number 4. Continuance, which means the state of remaining in existence or operation. Continuance. For example, the continuance of the negotiations. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.